Okay, dear students, let us start construction 5. Okay, construction 5 says draw a perpendicular on a line from a point outside it. That is, if we consider any line AB and any point O outside AB, then we have to draw a perpendicular on AB from the point O. Here O lies outside AB, so we have to draw a perpendicular on AB from the point O. This is particular enunciation. Now in construction, we will start construction by centering at O and taking any suitable radius such that it cut AB, A and B it cut or meet. So centering at O and taking any radius, let us draw two arcs such that they meet AB at C and D respectively. Now centering at C and D and taking radius equal to CD or more than half of CD, we have to draw another two arcs such that they meet at the point E. Okay, so centering at C and D and taking radius equal to CD or more than half of CD, we draw two arcs such that they meet at the point E. Suppose they have meet at the point E. Now we will join OE. We will join OE. Then OE will be perpendicular on AB. I am repeating the construction again for your better understanding. Here AB is a line, O is any point outside it. We have to draw a perpendicular from the point O to the line AB. Construction, centering at O and taking any suitable radius, we draw an arc such that it meets AB at C and D respectively. Now centering at C and D and taking radius equal to CD or more than half of CD, we draw another two arcs such that they meet at the point E. We join OE. So OE will be perpendicular on AB. So this is the end of the construction 5. I think all of you have understood this and you will try at your home, and by using pencil, compass, a ruler, you will try it at your home. Okay, dear students, to know drawing of different angles like 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree, they are very much important for you. If you know how to draw such kind of angles without the help of compass, without the help of protractor, then it will be very much fruitful for you. Okay, that's why you must have to know how to draw some fundamental angles without the help of protractor. Okay, in this lesson we will know how to draw this angle without the help of protractor. Okay, suppose the fundamental angles are 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree, and such angles can be drawn without the help of protractor very easily. Okay, so let us start to draw this angle in a single figure. Okay, let AB is a straight line. We consider AB is a line, and we consider another point C here. We will draw such angles at the point C. Okay, so first we will draw 90 degree, then we can easily draw 30, 45, 60, 120 from this figure. Okay, so centering at C, taking any radius, let us draw an arc at first. Suppose we have drawn an arc, it meets AB at D. Let us consider it meets AB at D, and centering at D, taking the same radius, we will draw another two arcs. 1, 2. These two arcs. If we join E and F, let us consider these two arcs named as E and F. If we join CE and produce it, it will be equal to 60 degree. If we join CF and produce it, this angle will be equal to 120 degree. Now, if we bisect EF, the arc EF, then we will get, let us bisect it by taking radius equal to EF or more than half of EF, we can easily bisect it. Let CG is the bisector of EF, and you see this is 60 and this is also 60. So this is 30, this is 30, and total is 90. That is that is DCG. DCG angle will make 90 degree angle. So this is 90, total is 90, and this is also 30. This angle is 30 degree. Okay, this is 30. So this angle 30, DCG is 30, and DCE will be 60, and DCF will be 120. So 30, 60, 120 has been drawn. Now how to get 45? You know, 45 is the bisector of 90 degree angle. That is, if we bisect 90 degree, then we will get 45. 90 degree what? BCG. This angle is 90 degrees, so we will bisect it. So to bisect BCG angle, first we will center at D and taking radius equal to, suppose it is named G is named here, G is named here. So centering at D and G and taking radius equal to DG or more than half of DG, we will draw two arcs. They meet at the point, suppose H. So if we join CH, then the angle BCH will give 45 degree, because BCH is the bisector, that is CH is the bisector of angle BCG, and you know, since BCG is 90 degree, so BCH will be 45 degree. So we can say this angle is 45. So by this way we can make 60 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree and 120 degree. I think you have understood this, and you can easily draw them if you practice it at your home. Thank you for watching my videos.